Evening guys, we're here at a light show in Glasgow called GlasGlow, and the first thing is just check this big moon. So the first thing we just come across are the two places where they've got all the flowers, and look at the cool light shows on them. So we're just entering the UV jungle, and is this the same guy that does the I'm thinking? No? Right, okay. Just got a wee cool disco tree guy here. But he's stopped partying.
Did you stop filming?
No. So we're just heading into the neon jungle, I think the woman told us, wasn't it?
UV jungle.
Oh sorry, the UV jungle. What is wrong with me tonight? Oh, it's awfully spooky, isn't it? Look at all the cool stuff that's going on, man. It's like something that, what do you call that? Alice in Wonderland, or the crazy stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it's supposed to be voodoo.
Aye, it sort of feels voodoo, doesn't it? Pretty cool light show, if I'm honest. This wee guy here, he's came to a party. Look at him just glowing. This bit here, just in the middle, looks absolutely amazing. Okay. Some cool lights going off. Oh, who's this wee guy just hiding in the bushes? You need to watch these people at Glasgow. Getting a couple of neon glowing guys here. They're really cool. And now we're in the depths of the jungle. Oh, it's pretty crazy. It is pretty scary, that's what I was just about to say actually. You beat me to it.
We're about to be attacked.
We are, and who's going to attack us? This guy here. Oh no, there's dragons in here. Oh, Daenerys. Some more of the neon guys glowing. These are really, really bright. They're pretty cool. This guy probably is my favourite so far. Looks a wee bit like a monkey. Oh, we've got a big tiki man here as well. See him all lit up. And then there's some crazy eyes just there next to him too, actually. Check out this massive totem pole. And the fish and the eagle and that at the top, all glowing in the dark. The detail on this one's cracking. Oh, and here's another wee guy trying to ambush us on the way out. Look at the teeth on him. He looks as if he's smoking a snake. Or is he eating a snake?
He's eating it.
Is he? Well, good protein I suppose. We need to watch out for the dragons. I can hear them. Oh, something going on in the distance there. Caution, chance of burns.
I'm not prepared to be burned.
You're not prepared for this, Natalie?
Again. I think she's gone on one of her runs.
Uh-oh, I think there's a dragon up here.
Right. Well, she only goes for children who smell like marshmallows, and that seems unlikely around here at this time of night, doesn't it?
I think we found it.
Stop that. Stop that right now.
And your dragon just farted.
Dare raise
So I
your
get the
voice
Dragon
to me.
Farm Zookeeper's Guide.
Oh, right. That's
Have
it.
Dragon
No
from
more
Narnia
marshmallow for
restaurant
you.
and Scotland.
Oh. Oh. The forest is going a bit wild tonight.
It's scary.
It is a wee bit, isn't it? It's a bit freaky.
It's the 7th of November and this is a Halloween event, so you've got to remember it's going to be spooky, but it feels more like nearer Christmas than Halloween.
Ah, you're right, it is.
What is a tree's favourite month? Huh? September! That's a thinking one, all these lights and people. What is this all about? Why don't squirrels have any friends? Because they drive everyone nuts.
Yeah, because it's all tropical, kind of same latitude. I actually thought of that, like, I should have.
That Lulu's back and mad, you know, always coming in here shouting, "Wah!" waking up the squirrels. I hate squirrels.
And just in case you don't know what this is hundreds of spiders. Let's see if we can zoom in and see them. Can't really see them too great there, but trust me, that's spiders. Oh, he's died. Aye. He's doing tricks up the tree there. Owl might get him.
I hope the spider gets the owl.
Oh, he just died again. I love this sort of punk rock looking tree in front of us. How cool is that? Isn't it?
Those are your favourite colours for trees.
Aye, I know. I like the sort of, I like the girly colours. Uh-oh, should have brought my mum and dad. no. That wee doll's pushing that swing itself. Natalie, what's going on?
There's a ghost.
There's a ghost? Uh-oh.
She sounds happy enough.
Oh, you're right, she does sound happy enough, but I'm freaking out. Some more cracking bushes here again. Again? With the girl colours, Chris. What's going on? But I like them.
Do you know, fun fact, this is my favourite bit of the Botanical Gardens. This is the Victorian Rose Garden.
Oh, is it?
And when this isn't on, this is my favourite bit to be.
Right, and it's just about to be your favourite bit when this is on.
Oh my days.
Because this is some creepy stuff going on here. Look at this crazy wee house. It's like that wee lassie lives in there.
Hope not. The swing's awfully big in comparison. This might be the doll's house.
Might be, aye. I think we found who lives here. Look at that, crazy. Oh, and we're just going through this crazy wee walkway. Oh! Look, these wee dolls just dangling for you. The roses, I suppose it is. Couldn't think what they were called. Oh, this is creepy.
It feels like I'm actually in Silent Hill.
I know, this is creepy, isn't it? Look at all the wee dead dolls, I suppose. That music's creepy, man. There's nothing scarier than kids laughing like that. Oh no, don't start that. Is that not just the scariest song ever?
It really is.
Isn't it?
Oh no, what's that? This whispering nonsense.
So I think we're just heading into the last light show here, and how cool is this of an entrance? Well, you can just see it over the top of Natalie's head there, looks pretty cool. Whoa, that's some display, eh?